In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add about in LinkedIn profile. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile stronger and give people a better idea of who you are, adding an About section is a great place to start. This section helps you introduce yourself in a more personal and professional way, and it can highlight your experience, strengths, and key skills in a short summary. To begin, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on Me. This opens the account menu where you can access your profile and other settings. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where you can edit different sections and customize how others see your professional background. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Add Section button and click it. This is where LinkedIn gives you options to include more information in your profile. Adding the right sections can help make your profile look more complete and more appealing to recruiters, employers, or professional connections. After that, select Add About. This opens the About section editor, where you can type a summary about yourself. In this area, write a clear and professional description that explains who you are, what you do, and what kind of value you bring. You can also include your skills, strengths, or areas of expertise to help people quickly understand your background. As you write, try to keep your summary easy to read and focused on the most important information. A good About section usually sounds professional but still natural, like a brief introduction to someone who is visiting your profile for the first time. When you're done writing your About section and adding your skills, click Save. Once you do that, your new About section will appear on your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully added an About section to your LinkedIn profile. This small update can make a big difference in how your profile looks and how you present yourself professionally online. If you're continuing to improve your profile, make sure the rest of your sections are also up to date so everything stays consistent and polished.